Baka naman, baka naman, baka naman! Hello everyone, welcome back to Baka naman! Villains Edition.
I mean, period.
Right?
With our special guest co-host, the one and only Versex.
Sex.
Yes, icon herself. Kagawad Versex, 69 sa balota. Always.
Yes, gracing us once again with her presence on our televisions for episode 9 of Drag Race Philippines Season 3.
The semifinals, also known as the first episode na hindi nakritik ng judges si Mix.
Pero nakritik ako ni Maxi.
Correct.
Bakit siya?
But my God, I know as an episode, punong-puno siya ng kwento, ng drama, ng talent, ng stakes. Just overall as an episode, what do you think of episode 9?
Masustansya siya malala. And parang, ito yung episode na sobrang na-enjoy ko for some weird reason.
Okay.
Sobrang ano niya, sobrang, oh my gosh, para siyang roller coaster na ginaganong-ganong kati. Promise, why me?
Well, girl, na-enjoy mo rin naman kasi no. I remember when we talked about this sa hotel after, tuwan-tuwa siya, nambunot siya eh.
Correct.
Indirectly, nambunot siya. Parang, hindi siya yung gumanon, parang, bunutin mo yon.
Oo, like
Nang ganun
parang-
siya.
Na-experience ko na din mag-stir ng pot kasi parang gusto ko talaga siyang ma-experience na hindi naman ako part ng drama but I'm a part of it.
I love it.
Thanks, girl.
So, Loki, you produced a moment. Parang
got you.
ganon.
Yes, of course. Parang bago kami pumasok doon, parang nasa utak ko parang, oh my gosh, parang gusto ko ulit ng good TV. Like parang hindi pwedeng lalabas ako dito nang wala akong gagawin. So like, yeah, I'm just a girl.
Yan ang almusal ni Ver kasi we had to get up so early just so that we could. This is the morning. As in, the girls just left the hotel, just arrived to set. Parang ilang minutes lang yung agwat namin in between leaving the hotel. So we had to be like already
Correct.
dolled up by that time. Anyway.
Yeah, so, but I mean, I'm so happy like all the eliminated queens are back because it was really, I think, quite the moment. But let us get to the episode. So we start the
Yes.
episode with the mirror message of Mix Chanel being wiped by Zimbading.
Yeah, I said parang thank you for allowing me to find a home in all of you. Because a
Okay.
big part of my story was like the homesickness.
Correct.
And the last few days of me at least competing.
Yes.
The last few days of me competing on the show were some of the best times on the show, and I had a lot of fun with the girls. And kumbaga parang, right before I was eliminated, I felt like I finally found my footing in terms of the competition, but also in terms of my relationship with them.
Zimba wipes the mirror message. And, you know, Zimba, I think, feels very accomplished. I think
Yeah.
to have slayed you. Because, you know, it's basically isang puksaan bago sa semifinals.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oo.
Right?
She's being so demure right now.
Yeah, kalmado lang.
So nung nakita-kita na kayo mga eliminated girls sa hotel, anong welcoming committee ang sumalubong kay Mix?
Ano naman parang, oh, tali ka na, bakla. Oh, tama
Oo.
na yan. Oh my gosh, touch na. Oh my gosh, kailang. Kasi parang, di ba, natanggal na kami weekly. So
Oo.
parang, especially with mine, welcoming committee talaga kasi parang ako yung pinakauna and like
Mike,
mag-isa
Mike.
ako.
Aha.
Right? So sabi ko, lahat ng mga natatanggal, sobrang warm talaga namin. O, tara na, kain na tayo, detach na yan, ganyan-ganyan, mag-have fun na lang tayo sa backstage, wala tayong magagawa. It is what it is. So enjoy na lang natin yung
Oo.
retreat natin.
Totoo
Kasi walang
yan.
cellphone. So retreat natin to. Let's just be creative. Let's be the queens that we are.
Correct. Pagbalik ko sa hotel room, sabi ko, I want a night for myself and feel my feelings. Pagkaupo ko sa kama ko, after like 5 minutes, I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm bored. Nasaan yung mga bakla?
Yeah, yun
So
ang
katok na ako agad sa kwarto. And then the next day, sabi ko, oh, dahil ako yung pinakabagong taya, go pizza avail.
Oo, ganon. May
Aw.
paano. Kasi, I don't know if we can say this here, pero feeling ko kayo rin naman. Pwede minsan kami magpa-deliver ng food. So sabi ko, oh my gosh.
FTFT mga bakla.
Correct, food trip, ganyan. That's why, happy rin naman yung hindi siya ganun ka-stressful katulad nung ini-imagine ko siya before.
Correct.
Sa parang hotel, oh my gosh, we don't have phones,
Mm-mm.
ganyan. Hindi siya ganun ka,
Okay.
Parang
Like ano
retreat
talaga,
siya.
we kept each other entertained. Kung
Aha.
ano-anong hinahanap namin gawin na magkakasama. In like the end part of the competition that I was able to join them na.
Honey, nothing sexual, babe.
Girl, hindi ka
That we
hindi,
know of.
hindi
Or
para,
ano,
hindi
choco.
para, hindi para, baka si Kiana. Jolly. Baka kung si Kiana. Pero kami, wait, mami, ate.
Okay, and then of course, everybody discusses the aftermath of the lip sync Lollapalooza with the golden balut in particular. So,
Oh yeah.
medyo
Ooh.
para tong all-stars revealan ng lipstick, sino
Ooh,
binoto
yeah.
mo. And then, na-surprise si Zimba na unanimous ang vote na si Kiana ang sinave. What do you think of this vote?
I think between Zimba and Kiana, I don't think dapat silang kabahan.
Okay.
Kasi parang, oh my gosh, Zimba is literally begging for the golden balot.
Aha.
Sa isip-isip ko parang, you don't need that. Kasi parang, honey, you're lip sync assassin. How's ang boots? So parang, you really have to like worry for forte mo yan. Pero kasi yun nga, when it comes to drag race, hindi ka dapat maging complacent. Hello, fashion girl, bottom.
Yeah.
Diba? So parang,
Hello, host, bottom.
So parang, sa isip-isip ko, nagigets ko where she's coming from, but honey, this is your thing. So parang, I don't think you need to beg that much for the golden ballot. It's with Kiana too.
Aha.
Mick, sorry, pero kailangan yung time na yun, ikaw talaga yung parang, no offense tayo pero like,
Hindi.
gets mo yung parang, ang mga kalaban mo, sirkera talaga, yung parang
But at the same time kasi, nung Golden Balloon din, expect ko na parang, kahit anong pagmamakaawa gawin ko dito, parang feeling ko ako na din eh.
gets.
So parang hindi ko na ginanon yung sarili ko na
Oo.
magmakaawa pa. Parang, kung gusto nyo, go. Kung hindi, carry.
Kumbaga sabi mo tayo, ayaw rin nila ako kabanding. So parang,
A big part of yung discussion here is Zimba trying to parang come out of the shadow of either Briggs, the House of Ding, which is very interesting because I never saw parang Zimba trying needing to prove anything. I've always seen
Yeah.
Zimba as like an original, an individual. But in terms of like the conversations inside the workroom, how much of this was a thing? Kasi parang for me, it wasn't really a
It comes up a little bit just because of their natural similarities as people.
Yeah.
Parang mas
Okay.
ganon rather than parang trying to box her as anak ka lang ni Briggs. It's
Got
more
it.
like kasi medyo magkatunog yung boses nila. May
They talk the
similar
same.
mannerisms sila. Kahit nga yung tawa medyo
Oo.
may ano sila, parang may similarity sila as people. Siguro parang it was a natural relationship for them to build. Pero I think as much as I remember, yun lang siya.
Oo, parang nagiging banter lang siya. Na parang,
Oo.
si Briggs, ganyan. Especially with Maxi and like Ate Bench, na parang sobrang kilala lang si Briggs. Parang kang nanay mo, ganyan. Parang kang nanay mo, ganyan. Yara. Pero wala naman, hindi naman siya necessarily a bad thing. Na
Oo.
Parang,
And then, it's a new day in the workroom at kung kanina nabanggit ang pag-uplift ng industry, sinama pa rin po siya and
favorite nila.
favorite
Favorite
nila.
nila, favorite.
Oo. At this point, I mean, of course, pinakita doon. It
Yeah.
was shown through Maxi's POV.
Yeah.
I guess, when you were watching it, what was going on through your head?
Well, ayun nga, I've taken like the last week to like sit down and process it. I sat down with it and processed it in the lens of ang emotional ko pa from watching my elimination again. But also para napanood ko naman uli yung episode na para okay, I think medyo mas malinaw na yung utak ko. And agree naman ako. Like
Yeah.
with everything that Maxi said, agree ako kasi alam mo yung it was something I pulled out of my ass
Yeah.
in the last moment.
It was shitty.
Yes. Really, it was.
Ah.
It was never my intention to be tactless, careless, disrespectful, but I came off that way.
Yeah.
Ganun yung dating ng mga sinabi ko. And I shouldn't have said that. Kaya ko naman tanggapin yun. I know when to accept my mistake. I shouldn't have said that. Actually, nung napanood ko nga yung reaction si Maxi, nung parang nakuha nga daw yung gigil niya in the moment, naintindihan ko.
Yeah.
And I actually messaged Maxi again last night na parang just to clear the air na okay, since ngayon ko lang nakikita to, I wanted to clear the air.
Yeah.
And okay naman kami.
There you go. Just like that, sinira mo ang fantasy ng mga fans na magkaaway kayo ni Maxi. Kasi
Correct.
okay kayo.
Sorry sila.
Sorry guys, had to burst your bubble.
Yeah.
Pero I think ultimately why this is important because this sets the stage for the epic scene that we're going to see
Yes.
with
Oh,
the
yes.
return of the eliminated queens. Yun yung purpose niya kaya rin nilagay dun sa previously on Drag Race scene,
Yeah.
binring up ulit yung kagatan yun ni Zimba because it
Parang
puts
ganon.
this dramatic
Sorry, my
showdown in context. So una, pinapasok muna ang mga eliminated queens. I guess ang tanong ko, nung alam niyong papasok kayo, paano niyo sinasayk yung sarili niyo in terms of like, anong character nyo, anong paandar nyo. Ikaw siguro kasi bilang medyo matagal ka nang hindi pumapasok sa
Yeah.
workroom.
So parang with me, parang sabi ko talaga, I don't really have to try that much kasi alam ko na parang this is my thing. Na parang medyo maldita talaga si Bakla. So parang, nung nalaman ko yung brief, sabi ko, I got this. I don't need briefing for this. Like parang, You don't even have to say shit to me. Like, parang you don't have to like say things. Kahit i-brief nyo pa, like, parang dead ma ako dyan. I know kung anong
Correct.
isa-serve ko. So, parang sabi ko, I got this. So, upo lang ako sa gilid. Smile lang. Lipstick. Tama, mali. Oh my gosh, I'm the chicest one here.
Ako on the other hand, since join kami nag-ready nung morning na yon, si John Fideliaga kasi meron siya face tapes.
Yeah.
So dahil sa briefing sa amin, sabi ko, ma, paano naman ako face tape para may banat na onti yung mukha ko that day? Kaya hindi siya gumagalaw. As in, para ako nag-instant Botox that day, kaya hindi gumagalaw yung mukha ko kasi yung sentido ko nakaganon. Tapos
sa ulo.
Oo, tapos hindi pa ako nagkilay. Kaya sabi ko, I know what my face looks like. I know my face has its own subtitles. Sabi ko for that day, burahin natin yung subtitles ng mukha ko so wala akong kilay, binanat ko yung mukha ko. Kasi nga, parang the peg of what was gonna happen.
But I mean, it was epic kasi I think, we always see this sa mga US All-Star seasons and now we finally saw the eliminated queens. Parang fuck, anong gagawin nila? And then we find out that it's a mini challenge wherein the remaining contestants na part ng top 5 have to plead their case as to why they deserve to be America's next top model.
Oh my gosh. Iniba na. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna win that. Right?
Oh, you came first place.
Ganon.
So I guess ang criteria for judging, kasi iba-iba naman kasi kayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang ano yung individual like na hinanap nyo sa mga queens na yun?
If they're able to like carry themselves through questions that might be pressing, questions that might be issues, for
Yeah.
example. Yun yung pagkakaintindi ko nung brief sa amin.
Ako naman, parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, I just want them to answer authentically. And parang for me kasi, parang I don't wanna put myself in a box wherein parang I don't wanna be rigid about a lot of things. Na parang kapag ganun sila magsalita, baka yun yung graceful niya.
Obviously, I would have flopped because my grace under pressure was non-existent in my
Yes.
elimination.
Oh my God! Technically, ginawa mo naman yung challenge, so na-eliminate ka, and then you failed miserably.
Yes.
Oo,
Na kaya ako
tsaka
natanggal eh. Sorry.
To me, like, alam ko seryoso ko ng time yun, but it's not that serious. Kasi parang, hello, you feel helpless around that time. Hindi nyo alam kung anong feeling nung nandun kami na mag-isa na lang kami. And I just feel like, feeling ko na feel mo na din na parang, you've disappointed a lot of people. Kailangan mo itaas yung
Yeah,
feeling.
girl.
Hindi siya ganun dapat kaseryoso kasi parang, why would you even take that way too seriously? It's a TV show and we're only given X amount of time. Hindi naman pwedeng ma-explain lahat, right?
Yeah, and yung tipong parang we go through the whole process as a cast, tapos pag na-eliminate ka, biglang kailangan mong gawin
Mag-isa
yung
ka na
prosesong
lang.
mag-isa.
Oh,
Nakakapanlumo siya,
yeah.
honestly.
Wow, we've never talked about. That's true.
Ang sakit niya ba in a sense na parang ako nung na-feel ko nun kaya wala rin ako masyadong gana with this whole drag race situation kasi parang na-feel ko nung syempre ako yung una so parang ako yung pinaka naka-feel na parang mag-isa lang ako. Tapos sabi ko, oh my gosh, ang sayang to lahat. So parang to me, parang, you know what, outside this competition, I'm just gonna do my own thing. And parang,
Ayaw mo i-limit yung self-worth mo with what happened on the show.
like parang, it's just an extension of me. And
Yeah.
I like seeing myself on TV.
Yeah.
But thankful ako, pero as much as possible, tinatry ko siyang i-detach kasi nakakaano siya ng mental health. Pag tinambayan.
Well, siya ang latest
I know.
housemate doon sa bahay na yon. So eto na nga, pumasok na nga ang ating mga top 5 semifinalists. Ang una ay si Kiana. Kiana had very interesting points to raise in terms of she wants to really elevate pa the way we look at provincial queens, regional queens. I personally think it was a very strong argument
Yes.
only because she had the goods to back it up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi parang the track record, the talent, the tenacity. Pero when you were listening to Kiana, ano mga nare-receive yung
Nung time
messages
na yun
nun?
kasi parang sabi, di ba, isang question lang.
Mhm.
Pero pwede mag-follow up. Sabi ko talaga nung time na yun, parang sabi ko, habang sinasabi niya yung question, yung answer niya sa question ko, sa isip ko, di ba bigla siyang parang confessional, parang yun na yun. Sa isip ko, baka naman pa talaga akong parang backup question, pero sige, bibigay ko na sa'yo kasi
So
parang I don't wanna be hated anymore. And parang isang kagat na lang kasi baka mamaya hindi niya ma-answer. Tama. Medyo slow pa naman si Bukla.
Gago!
I love you, sis. Super. Alam mo yan. Kiana with a K. Kiss tayo.
I really like na parang Kiana doubled down on, wanting to open doors and uplift.
Yeah.
Charot.
Correct.
Parang she really doubled down on representing the provincial queens, and I think she proved her point.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yun nga, kaya sabi ko, sige na nga, bibigay ko na nga.
Correct.
Pwede na.
Up next, we have Angel. And I think Angel had a very, very clear argument. Diba? I was given one more chance. Not only did I make it count, but I made it count so bad, I'm here, you're there. Parang ganun, diba? And it was such a bossy, powerful message.
Ako, napaproud lang ako kay Bakla na nakita ko siya dun. Parang sabi ko talaga, kailangan kong i-acknowledge na parang nung nalaman kong ka-competition ko siya, parang hindi ko naman siya nakita as threat. Kasi parang we have to consider na parang, yeah, you're a performing girl, but pag nag-drag race ka, you have to consider about branding, you have to consider your aesthetic,
Correct.
parang ganyan-ganyan. Pero dun ko siya in-underestimate, in a sense. Pero nakita ko na parang her branding is beyond the superficial.
Yes.
Alam mo, beyond the story, it's her like, yung siya
Yeah.
kabuuan niya. So parang
Yeah.
sabi ko, bitch, I'm so proud of you. I'm like a mother. Like, that's sissy. Like, sissy.
Mabilis si Angel kasi yung pinanghuhugutan niya parang iisang lugar. Lahat ng pinanghugutan niya comes from one place. And siguro parang throughout the competition, that's what the judges have been saying na parang she's either really, really good consistent or too consistent na parang
Repetitive.
yun yung
Okay,
argument.
yeah.
Pero I think that's what Angel's strength is that iisa lang yung core niya. It's not complicated for her.
Correct.
Mabilis siya kasi
Correct.
iisa lang yung
And it's
pinanghugutan
also not
niya.
complicated for the audience. I think
Oo.
it resonates really well.
Madali siyang i-digest.
Yeah.
Yun yung bet ko
Oo.
sa kanya.
Yeah. And yun nga, again, I've referenced this moment time and time again, but the first time I just saw Angel perform, yung energy na nakukuha natin sa camera na parang ang laki-laki, ang maganda rin sa kanya, kaya niyang i-translate to like a room of like
Oo.
200 na audience.
Wala pa
Sobrang-
nga yun eh. Parang
Correct.
in real life nga, mas kakaiba eh.
Yup.
Tama, mali. Like
Tama.
sa camera, pasabog na. Nakikita natin siya ngayon, pero iba siya in real life.
In
Parang
real life.
nakakanga...
Grabe talaga siya.
Di ba? Nakakanga, bitch.
Girl, yung
For sure.
I mean, skipping ahead lang onti, pero is Angel in this challenge.
Yes.
Tiri ng ambulance,
Mamaya.
nila.
Pero grabe yun. Grabe
Correct,
si Angel
correct.
this challenge. Up next, Tita Baby. I love the way Tita Baby kind of like flip Bench's answer and kind of like acknowledge parang the corner that the question might be trying to parang
Push her into.
push Tita Baby into. Pero ang sagot ni Tita Baby is parang, ang difference sa kanya, maikli na lang yung oras niya to make that impact. Nung sinabi niya, parang tangina, ito na yung winner. Grabe yun.
Umiiyak kaming lahat nun. As in, if I remember correctly,
Uy,
parang lahat
pinipigilan ko na.
kami.
Diyos ko, lagi na lang naiiyak.
Girl, kahit may airtime kang,
Anong
ganun ka na
time
naman.
na yun? Pero like, sa watch party, sabi ko, hindi ako iiyak. This time, hindi ko bibigay. Pinagtatawanan ako, be, umiiyak lang ang audience. Wow.
Pero ayun talaga, parang, I remember nung kay Tita Baby, halos lahat kami maiyak-iyak, maluha. Yung sinabi niyang background niya na parang she's also a life coach. Girl, parang nag-flip yung tables. Parang niya kaming therapy 6-on-1 nung moment na yon. It was very beautiful. And I'm in terms of like the storytelling of the TV show, I'm glad that Tita Baby had that moment
Yes.
for the people to get to know her more. Kasi I think people are gonna be able to easily dismiss her na dahil nga wala siyang Rue badge by this point. But I think this mini challenge kind of help people really see into what life is like through the eyes of Tita Baby.
Yes. And then of course, the Maxi of it all versus Mix versus J Queen. First of all, talagang the way Maxi approached this challenge was like an acting challenge. Kasi tipong wow,
Yeah.
talagang galit si Kuya and scared me. Shocked me. Okay.
Oh girl, nauga din ako.
Mukha naman.
Uga din talaga ako.
And I don't think that was the face tape. Okay, I think nauga ka talaga.
Yes.
But when you were seeing this parang going down, I'm sure this was way longer than it was portrayed
Yeah.
on TV. How was it like being a fly on that wall?
Sabi ko...
The fly on that wall that stirred the pot.
Correct. Sabi ko nga, like, gusto ko, kahit papano, kumagat naman si Maxi once.
Okay.
Kasi parang sisi ko to eh. Like, parang,
Mm.
hala, hindi ako kakauti ng sisi ko eh. Like, parang sisi, anong sakot? Tatanong ko
Hindi
sa'yo.
siya yung kakagatin, so ginanon niya
Sabi ko, oh my gosh, we're here for one thing.
Nung narinig ko yung sinabi Universe, sabi ko, ay si Bakla naghaharap ng
Correct.
gulo.
Sabi ko, I'm here for one thing. And parang sabi ko, like parang hindi ako kakagatin ni Maxi. Like, pati ni Angel, never lang ako kakagatin. Sabi ko talaga, di ba may original pa akong question? Sabi ko, sa top 4, sinong di? Sabi ko, ay mali. Sa 11, sinong hindi mo bet? To me, kaya ko yun inano, para tapos na tayo lahat. Kasi nga, lagi ko ito na-discuss, di ba? Parang,
Mm.
ayoko ng taong patronize.
Mhm.
So kung ngayon, pag-usapan na natin, para pag lumabas to sa
Mm.
TV, hindi na tayo mapipikon.
Aha.
Mm.
So sige, let's get this over with bago matapos tong season na to.
Mm.
Sinong hindi mo bet?
Mm.
Yun na yun.
Yeah. And then, of course, you talked about, okay na kayo ni Maxi now, so wag na tayo mag-linger doon.
Yes.
I guess ang akin was, nung tumayo na si Maxi,
Oh,
Abo na kayo, yun yung tipong, wait, nangyari. Diba, ganun
Correct.
na. Parang kinailangan na siyang awa. Parang siyang Jerry Springer. Ganun na nangyari yung show. Anything else in terms of, may mga, because again, I'm sure this was a much longer scene. Things got cut sa edit. Ano pang mga naalala niyong moments?
Ako tinanong ko si Tita Baby, nung 11 tayo, naulol ka nung nakita mo kami. Di mo nakita sarili mo dyan. Tama, mali. Diba? Tinanong ko si Tita Baby noon. Sabi ko,
Shit, oo nga.
diba sabi ko, nung 11 tayo, naulol ka ba nung nakita mo kami? May mga ganun ako.
Gago ka din, no?
Siyempre, kailangan mo ibigay. Di ba yung briefing?
Oo,
mo,
ikaw yung marami kang tanong na parang, sa tingin mo ba, deserving ka mag top 4? Yung tanong ni Ver, yung sagot yung may bubunutin. Puro ganun si bakla eh.
Mapapaisip ka na, mapapaaway ka pa.
Correct,
Yun,
tama,
diba?
Manila.
What other questions do you remember asking?
I was shook up that morning kasi lalo nung kay Maxi kasi I really thought when I left the competition I was good with everyone. And now I understand the context.
Okay.
I understand the context of like nakuha ko yung gigil niya.
Nahuli mo.
Nahuli ko yung gigil niya as I was about to leave.
Got it.
So, kaya siya, naiintindihan ko bakit siya naging ganun sa akin in that moment.
Yeah.
Medyo nagulat ako kasi I really thought I was okay with everyone. And I remember yung sa deliberations ngayon one-on-one na parang I was able to like really say na I was very honest with all of the
Yeah.
girls. Because I really did naman parang wear my heart on my
Got
sleeve.
it.
So medyo that moment when I was called plastic and fake, you know what, it's up for the people to believe
Yeah.
what they want to believe, but ako parang medyo like, wait, where is this coming from?
Okay.
Napagano'n ako. And napag-usapan naman na, nakausap ko na yung girls afterwards. Para alam ko, I remember going up to everyone na parang, hey, are we okay? Meron ka bang problema sa akin na hindi mo nasasabi?
Yeah.
And then up next, we have Zimba. Of course, we kind of preempted it a bit because we talked about Zimba in the House of Ding of It All.
Mm-mm.
I guess ang pinaka gusto ko sinabi ni Zimba dito is, yes, tinulungan nila ako, but ultimately, yung execution nasa akin.
Yes.
Correct.
So a big part of me parang stepping into my full power is nasa akin. Di ba?
Correct.
Pero yung pag-frame ng question ni Ver, parang, do you want that, babe?
Yes, like parang, do you want that? Hindi niya nasagot ng tama kasi parang, sinagot niya na parang, akin tong execution ko, yada. But like,
I guess ang tanong ko, what would have been the answer to convince you?
actually parang Karen na nga eh.
So yes ang sagot.
Kumbaga parang period, yes, period.
Yeah.
Like parang you don't have to over-explain it.
Parang,
But I remember like you, with the rest of the questions, na obviously did not make it to air. I remember with the rest of the questions, you really liked Zimba's answers.
Nakikita ko kung ano yung nire-represent niya.
Mm-mm.
Na hindi masyado nakikita ng ibang girls.
Mm-mm.
Parang ganun, sabi ko, sige, nakaka-proud si Bakla.
Okay.
Give,
Yeah.
Give na.
mahilig ka na talaga manggago sa mga questions mo, basically.
Hello, Diyos ko. Bakit hindi? Why not? Tama, di ba?
And then, of course, we talk about the kagatan yung
Yes.
dalawa. Again, na nagkaroon naman ng closure,
Yeah.
pero a few more confrontations before the closure came. Yeah.
Si Zimba kasi, siya yung at least pinaka-aware akong I left some sort of baggage with
Yeah.
when I left. Kasi nga, parang that was not a particularly good day in terms of our relationship. So siya yung parang at least pinaka-aware ako at that time na merong something. May something uncleared sa aming dalawa. And I tried to be like as stoic and cool as I wanted. But honestly, parang I really appreciated this moment with Zimba. Kasi at least parang, I'm the type of person kasi na if you don't like me, I want to know. If you have a problem with me, I want to know. That's why I asked her that question then. Para at least, like, I know where I stand with her. And I'm glad na we were able to, like, clear things out and understand, kumbaga, parang where the other person is coming from. And, ayun, parang, me and Zimba are really good friends now.
Yeah. I can tell. I mean, nung kagatan scene nyo last week, magkayakap kayo the whole time. Parang gusto nyo pa rin mag-sorry sa isa't isa. Mukha kayong mga tanga. But it was
As in,
very cute.
Kami, joint cringe na parang, girl, ang tagal na niyan.
Correct.
Parang,
Correct, tama na.
since nakapag-move on na kaming dalawa, ang tagal na niyan. May ganong factor siya.
Correct. Na I'm sure medyo may glimpses din yun nung nangyari sa inyo ni Kiana na
Oo.
pati na kayo pero nung kinailangan yung i-relive yung episode 1.
Ano siya, kakaiba. Medyo meta siyang experience. Kasi ang weird na mapapanood mo sarili mo, in TV, tapos third-person perspective pa.
Correct.
Tapos parang
Oo.
may mga kasama ka pang...
Oo, ano yun eh. Yung specifically third person perspective na hindi yan yung kwento mo.
Oo, kasi
That's
parang...
not the way you remember.
Oo, kailangan talaga din na i-consider na parang meron iti-tweak kasi it's a show na parang meron kang intent minsan na parang hindi yun yung ilalabas kasi nga parang it's in line with the story and parang ganun. So parang hindi natin control din talaga
Oo.
even though it's a reality show. And ganun naman talaga.
Oo,
Ganun siya.
especially
It's not a
since
bad thing.
parang, yun nga, this is the story of a group of people that have gone through this mga iba't ibang away, iba't ibang misunderstanding, and we've moved past it as a
Yeah.
group. Hello, ilang buwan na yan. Kumbaga parang sa barkada nyo, nag-away kayo ng friend mo before, a few months ago, tapos biglang i-relive siya.
Mm-mm.
It's,
Putting
Huwag mo
it
nang
that
sabihin
way.
yung parang...
Oo.
Correct.
Correct.
Tigil na.
Gets. And then of course, we find out that the winner of the mini challenge is Tita Baby dahil siguro pinaiyak niya kayong lahat.
Oo.
Di ba?
sobrang nakaka-touch yun.
Yeah.
As in, yun yung parang, I remember when we were deliberating, we were talking about parang, alam nyo, Tita Baby, parang just by her existence, she makes the world a better place.
Correct.
No?
That's true. That's true.
Kasi very para siyang Queen Elizabeth. Yung,
Lahat ng lumalabas sa bibig niya, parang insightful.
Yeah. Congratulations, Tita Baby. Ikaw ang nanalo ng huling mini challenge ng season na to. 'Di ba? From the sagwan, pinasa niya ang mini challenge crown to kamatayan.
Yes.
Okay, and then we're just gonna take a quick break and then we are gonna get to the epic Maxi Challenge and the
Yes,
semifinals runway when we come back.
Slayak la 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 la.
And we are back recapping Drag Race Philippines Season 3, Episode 9. It's the semifinals, y'all, with Versex and with Mix Chanel, who is not a semifinalist. Let's not forget that. Marami lang siyang airtime na parang semifinalist pero wala na po siya doon. But let us get to the Maxi Challenge, which is a group performance, Slay, Akla. Just overall thoughts on this song first.
Can I just say, kasi we had the honor of listening to this and hearing and watching them perform it nung rap party when we filmed. They weren't in drag. It was an impromptu performance. Sobrang galing. Sobrang
Ingit ako.
ganda nung kanta. Yes.
Ingit
Oo.
ka. Aww.
Ang ganda nung kanta. I love that they all had so many bars to fill
Yes.
in to tell their story, and the performance.
Kahit nainggit ako, pero parang na-realize ko, ang hirap niya, girl. Kasi parang, di ba parang hindi nila alam na parang ang onti lang ng mga parts natin sa, kumari dapat pakak.
Mm-mm.
Ang onti lang ng lines na yun.
4 bars.
Dito, ang dami. Like, kailangan mong ubusin. Kung ako ubusin ko yun, pero like, pipigain ko yung utak ko nun kasi kailangan natin i-consider na palatter part na to ng competition.
Correct.
Ubusan na to.
Mm-mm.
Like, kung baga lahat ng creative juices mo, piga na talaga. So parang, I applaud them kasi pasabog yung mga lyrics nila, girl. As in parang, naisip nyo ba yun? Lalo na kay Maxi B.
Correct.
Doy.
Yeah.
From 4 bars nung dapat pakak to like now 16 bars yata. They had to fill in 16 bars of words. And can we just give props first to like the dancers?
House of Revlon.
Very good, very good. Okay, so let's get to the girl group challenge. I mean, let's just call it a
Yes.
girl group because at this point, they look like a very sickening girl group. Okay, first, Maxi, what do you think of the look, the performance, the lyrics?
For me, Maxi was visually the strongest in this challenge.
Yes.
As in, siya yung una, 'di ba? So siya yung nasa gitna ng formation. Nung tinapatan na siya ng spotlight with the like smoky eye and the blonde hair, the red lip, and then the very well-fitted yung bodysuit niya. For me, Maxi was visually the strongest. As in, naalala ko na sa viewing party, nakita sabi ko, putang ina, ang ganda ni Maxi.
She's the one who looks the most expensive. Kasi
Yes.
parang ang mahal ng bodysuit, parang yung Dua Lipa na,
Oo.
di ba? Na parang Versace situation, red lang. Tapos, ang magaling siya mag-body.
Mhm.
Correct.
Yung proportion ng body, perfect palagi.
Yes.
Yung proportion ng balikat sa balakang.
Correct.
Tapos, may
Tapos hindi flat yung
Oo,
puwet.
Oo, dahil tapos may talent si Maxi na mapapagalaw niya yung buhok niya. Kahit synthetic sis.
Correct.
Like, parang mapapagalaw niya na parang sumusunod sa choreography yung buhok ni bakla. So, parang,
Correct. Yeah. Yep. Ako naman, of course, given na yung vocals, but I think if you just try to listen to Maxi's verse, it is insanely, exquisitely written. Dapat walang tsamba ang panalo. Pagkakataon ko na para tumodo. She talked about like having full agency of your talent.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi parang chinachamba mo lang, pinapaan mo lang. Parang alam mo dapat kung ikaw yung top or ikaw yung bottom kasi
Oo.
alam mo yung talent na dinadala mo. And then meron siyang verse na, salamat Panginoon sa pagkakataon, di ko ipagdadamot lahat, magkakaroon. Just the use of the vowels, para
Yeah.
it's an earworm.
Mm-mm.
Yung letter O ending
Mm-mm.
the lines. It was like, girl.
Like, kung batang bakla ako marinig ko yan, sobrang naka-inspire niya.
Yeah.
Like,
Yes.
parang actually, hindi lang naman si Maxi, parang lahat tayo, parang, we are really the examples that we needed when we were young. Na parang nakaka-proud
Aw.
kami lahat. Na
Yeah.
parang sabi ko talaga, oh my gosh, ito yung representation na hinahanap natin nung tumatanda tayo na nakikita na natin ngayon sa TV. And parang iba-iba talaga ng atake.
Uh-huh.
Ayun nga, I love how they're all serving different flavors here.
Exactly.
Pero ayun, parang nag-shine talaga yung Maxi being a wordsmith.
Yep.
Being
Kakaiba.
really good at
Correct.
writing.
Yeah.
Tapos now she's able to fill in from 4 bars to 16 bars.
Yeah.
And then showcase her vocal.
Correct.
And then also showcase her dance. Parang,
Tapos, maganda pa nung pagkasulat. Like,
Yeah.
parang,
Oo.
ano talaga, parang, di ba naman, lahat ng talent in-avail.
correct.
Check,
Amin
check.
na to siya.
Uh-huh.
Correct.
Sabi ni Papa Jesus, oh, sige na.
Correct.
Speaking of Papa Jesus, up next we have Zimba
Zimba
Ding.
Ding.
Okay. Lyrics si Zimba na gusto ko na I think out of everybody here, siya yung may pinakamaraming kinallback na moments niya
Oo.
sa show. The
She talked
LV
about
of it
LV.
all,
She
yung
talked
pagiging
about
Agila.
Agila.
And then, I think yung favorite lyric ko from Zimba is, minamaliit ng karamihan pero siya'y malaking biyaya. Daliit to malaking biyaya. Girl,
Ay,
imagery, mama. That's
Correct.
pretty awesome.
And I love how she's really consistent with her like, anak ako ng Diyos branding.
correct.
Yung parang her being religious na, kita mo ano siya eh, kita mong galing sa kanya talaga.
Yeah.
Oo, gusto ko siyang nakikita sa screen.
Yeah.
Like, parang deserve niya every fucking spotlight na pag siya na yung nagsasalita.
And pag I think for the most part, pag ine-express niya yung spirituality niya, I find it endearing.
Oo,
diba?
parang
I
siyang
think,
medyo may pagka-innocent ka ng
Mm-mm.
atake. So, hindi ko siya binabasag. Like, parang, oh my gosh, I so love that free you, sis. But,
Correct.
like, sige, hindi na kita hayaan maging jaded with a lot of things. So, hahayaan ko yan. Hindi ko babasagin yung kamats mo, right?
And then, of course, ang critique sa kanya ng judges is that sana nag-clean dip na lang siya rather than
Oo.
doing a 360. But you know, at this point, it's like we're really nitpicking here because like
Yes.
doing a clean dip in the first place is like a very hard thing to do already.
Yes.
And she's able to do it flawlessly. But like, what else do you think of Zimba's performance?
Unfounded yung critics ng judges. Sorry sa akin lang. Medyo unfounded kasi parang, where? Honey, where? I don't see it. Like, so parang, okay, parang, okay, sure.
Ako,
why
gets ko siya, but I don't agree.
not? Diba? Like, parang,
Uh,
I don't see it, honestly.
gets ko yung sinasabi nila na parang ang like, todo buga agad siya ng energy.
Kumbaga, like, parang, sinasabi nila yun, pero hindi niya yun sa challenge na yun ginawa. And
Siguro nga
parang,
nitpick na siya at this point kasi I could have
Oo.
looked over all of that just because of the parang yung power ng overall performance eh.
Yeah.
Yung power ng overall performance eh. Pero if they had to like really nitpick,
Oo.
okay, gets.
Sure, okay.
Oo.
Whatever
Parang
floats your
ganon.
boat,
Yeah.
Mama Pao, okay.
Yeah, but yun nga, we have to trim down one more girl and just bring it to a final four. But you know,
Yes.
it is what it is. Up next, we have Angel. What do we think of Angel? The spoiler alert, will be winning this week's Maxi Challenge.
Sobrang deserve kasi for me, siya yung pinaka-precise.
Yes.
As in, parang hindi siya nagpadala sa excitement. Lahat ng tapak niya sa stage, lahat ng ginagawa niya parang kalkulado.
Oo.
Parang may ganun siyang dating sa
Oo.
akin na parang na-hit niya lahat ng marks na kailangan
Oo.
niyang i-hit. No more, no less.
Oo, tsaka yung Galang Sisters talaga magaling sila dun sa know when to peak.
Oo.
Hindi nila binibigay sa una lahat. Like parang alam nila yun na pag ganun, pataas lang palagi.
Yep.
Ano sila, like parang alam nila, dito mababa lang. Dito kailangan, face lang ako dito.
Mhm.
Kasi ano yun eh, ganyan sila, di ba, sa backfish
Mhm.
kung wari. O sis, minsan kasi nagtutulungan kami kasi may kita namin yung screen, di ba?
Oo.
Ang akin ng mga ano, dinadirect kami ng Galang Sisters kung wari sa choreography, o bagalan mo, kantutin mo yung camera, ganyan, ganyan.
Oo.
Pero, o sige, tumigil ka muna dito, o sige, ganyan, ganyan. Kasi alam nila, that's their thing. Yung
Yes.
kung wari facing ng camera, ganyan, ganyan. Alam nila kung kailangan tataas, kailan bababa. So,
love it.
naka-proud sila.
I mean, we're getting like tips from veterans in the industry,
Yeah,
essentially,
exactly.
diba? You get to learn it right away when
Exactly.
it might have taken them years to parang really have that on lock. But yeah, ako naman kay Angel, of course. Yung kay Angel, na ako naman ang magbabago ng pamantayan ng ganda. Opening with that line, for me, parang, it's already like, siya na po agad.
Oo,
Kasi
she's that girl.
it gave the parang trans advocacy, the trans representation, like a more badass
Yes.
parang mantra, 'di ba? Na parang, yes, we're here to parang shake up the system and we're gonna really elevate the standards of beauty.
Ako gusto ko yung yung lines na may sisi. For having 16 bars, for having like a segment of writing ng ganun kahaba, for her to put in like a chunk na talagang
Yeah.
may callback, may madaling callback, ang ganda ng pagkakasulat
The
nun.
thing with Angel kasi she doesn't realize that she's so smart.
Mhm.
And that's the thing that I love
Actually, you
about her.
know what? I kind of have to disagree. I think she knows how smart she is. And that's why I love her.
Hindi. Like, do you honestly think?
Okay, hindi ba? Okay.
Hindi talaga, promise.
Okay,
Like, parang
sige. Kasi feeling ko sorry, in my head, mad genius siya eh. Na sobrang,
Same. Pero hindi niya yun nare-realize. And
okay.
ang gusto ko kay Angel, sana hindi niya yun ma-realize para hindi pumasok sa utak niya.
Ah.
Alam mo yun, parang that's her charm. Na parang to her,
Okay.
nothing is so serious.
Okay.
And hindi ko to pinag-isipan.
Oo.
Kasi parang
Ano siya, yung charm niya parang she's clever and off the cuff without even realizing
Oo,
it.
parang,
Okay.
for the lack of better term, Baus, parang yung wit niya parang kasing bilis kay Meme. Big word.
Correct.
Big word, pero ganun siya kabilis na parang,
Correct.
she just said that. Ang saya.
Yeah.
Meme.
I guess kaya ako sinasabing feeling ko she has agency over it because ilang beses ko nang nakita yung agility niya in like coming up with a funny line na parang like somebody that good must have agency over there. Wala.
It's natural.
I swear. Oh, eto, sinasabi ko.
Kumbaga
sis-
parang, some people learn it over time. I think I'm one of those people. I
Yeah.
had to learn certain things over time. Si Angel yung natural.
Sis kasi minsan, di ba parang isang tricycle nga lang ako kala Angel.
Oh.
Pupunta ako sa kanila, promise, every time pupunta ako doon, sobrang excited ko kasi I'm learning something. Oh my gosh, girl, I'm so gonna use that in the near future. Yung may mga slang siya na parang, smart na na. Okay, I'm gonna take note of that.
I love
Ganon.
Angel so much. I think
Yes.
Angel deserves like her own talk show.
I know! Oh my
As in, like,
God!
Ang
I would watch the two of them, yung magkapatid, just talk about their life on a podcast or
100%.
on a vlog.
Yeah.
I'm excited for
At
that.
wag natin kalimutan ang kanilang kapatid na maingay na rin ngayon sa social
Correct.
media. Nakakatawa yung post niya na yung Maxi.
Oo,
Maxan,
padalunin yung kapatid ko. Wow,
Padalunin
sa
yung
kapatid.
kapatid.
Maxi lang ah.
tawa.
Otong, Bukayo. Parang mali. Cut! Oh my God, please! Oh my God, I'm there.
But yes, and then up next we have Kiana, of course. Lots of attitude. Great lyric nun sa CGYY with a K. Like, ooh, I was really, really, really smart.
She deserves to be on top that episode.
Mhm.
I'll give that to her. She's doing the most. Yeah, always doing the most. Parang, nung time na yon parang, paano ko ba mahanapan ng counterpart? Alam mo yung parang, nung nagaga ko sa lyrics ni Marina nung, ano
Pop
nila,
off.
Pop off ate. Ganun siya ka parang,
Yes, oo. She came in here ready to write.
I know, like
Yeah.
parang sabi ko, something, gusto ko gawin pero like wala akong chance. Also parang I don't think I can write like that.
Yeah.
Parang,
Correct.
And also, I think Kiana met the concept of the song the most in
Yes.
terms of slaying, being a badass bitch. Because yung iba like life story, journey sa season so far, what they stand for. Si Kiana was like, no, I'm just gonna serve you a badass bitch and it's gonna be worth every second.
Paano ko ba sabihin? Hindi to derogatory.
Mm.
Pero like, ito yung sound na parang maririnig mo talaga sa Drag Race. Like,
Mhm.
it's so Drag Race.
Uh-huh.
Not in a derogatory way. Like, parang, kahit sa international franchise, parang, yeah.
For me, Kiana's point of view is so clear.
Yeah.
In terms of like the aesthetic branding, ang strong ng aesthetic branding ni
Yeah.
Zimba, strong aesthetic branding ni Tita Baby. Pero for me, what sets Kiana apart from this group is yung parang it's not branding, it's just a very strong point of view.
Yes.
Ooh, yeah.
Yes.
Gets ba? Parang hindi
Yeah.
siya yung parang
kasi
hindi siya yung
manufactured eh.
Oo, hindi siya yung branding na parang kailangan i-conform ko lahat ng gagawin ko into this. It's just, it comes out naturally kasi yun yung utak niya.
Paano ko ba sabihin?
Galing mo dun, ah.
Oo, pasabog siya.
Galing ni
Pasabog.
Mick Chanel dun,
Smart
ah.
si Mick Chanel, no?
Smart siya, no?
Pwede na.
Pag walang pressure. Sorry. Pag walang pressure.
Well, pinipressure ka ng online audience ngayon.
But you know, it's fleeting, sis. Take it from Versace, right? It's fleeting, my
Pero
love.
yeah, but I guess if you look at parang Kiana's POV, parang ang dami niya ng kayang gawin agad. To think na parang new girl in town
Paano ko
ang,
ba sabihin?
ang image niya.
Kasi nga, bago pa siya, that's why meron pa siyang rose-colored glasses with a lot of things.
Mm-mm.
You have to consider that, sis.
Yes, oo.
Like parang, if you're doing this for X amount of months or years, parang meron ka talagang mga...
Template.
Oo,
Correct.
also parang meron ka ring mababawas.
Oo.
So kaya parang kitang-kita mo yung pagka-uhaw niya.
Correct.
Hindi na naman derogatory to.
Oo.
Kitang-kita mo yung uhaw niya kasi sobrang fresh pa niya na ito. Ang dami niya pang hindi na discover within herself.
Ang dami pa niyang hindi na ibubuga
Correct.
Oo.
na binaon niya lahat dito. Kasi yun niya parang, I remember, that's the story of like Hannah and the CDO
Yeah.
scene. Parang Hannah parang
Paving the
started
way.
to
Oo.
started to create events in CDO, tapos doon nag-compete si Kiana, and yun nga, because medyo marami sila actually, medyo marami
Yeah.
silang queen sa CDO. Not all of them has all the opportunities all the time to perform. So parang feeling ko dito sa show nalalabas ni Kiana lahat
Oo.
nung parang frustration niya sa mga hindi niya nagagawa
Correct.
before.
With her, like parang she's just like, I got one shot and itong shot na to, hindi ko to sasayangin. Na
Correct.
parang, kailangan makapasok akong top 4.
Correct.
Akin to, una pa lang, in-game ako.
Correct.
Mm.
Ganon.
Eh, yun din kasi yung parang ang sarap panoorin sa Drag Race.
Totoo.
Pagkita mo yung
Drive.
stakes and
Mm-mm.
what they're risking, 'di ba? And who they're doing this fight for and have their big moves pay off like this.
Yes.
Parang napakasarap niyang panoorin, sa totoo lang.
Yes. Pasabog siya. Give ko na nga sa kanya. Oh my gosh. Parang, ang dating nga sa akin ni Kiana ngayon, di ba parang sabi ko sa too much siya, ganyan-ganyan. Pero ngayon, kapag nakilala mo kasi talaga siya personally, yung pagka-doing the most niya and papansin niya, hahanapin mo kasi parang, that's the thing that sets her apart with the other
Yes.
girls. And
Yeah.
parang yun yung parang, hindi siya mahirap i-approach. Parang lagi na nga lang natin yun, papansin na naman si Kiana, yun na naman siya, papansin.
Pagpapasok siya ng backstage, ay nasi
Ay,
Kiana,
papansin,
manggugulo na naman siya.
papansin.
Pero pag lumabas siya, parang ay,
miss ko si
tahimik
Bakla.
ka lang.
Yung ma-
Hirap yung kabanding
Oo,
rin, no?
oo, tayo, sabi niya parang,
yung mahirap kabanding.
ang laki na
Well,
naman ng galaw ni
sorry.
Bakla. Yung mga ganun, laki na naman, tatumbling na naman yan, baho naman ng paa. Mga ganun, tama, mali. Kami sa loob.
And then, of course, ang last one is Tita Baby. Of course, it was portrayed during the rehearsals na she might be at a disadvantage here
Mhm,
dahil
yeah.
meron nga tayong 4 na sirkera. Sabi mo nga. But you know, I think Tita Baby held her own.
Yes.
I think a big miss is that she maybe wrote less
Yeah.
because she didn't, in terms of just like the bars that the other girls had to fill, in terms like number of words lang they
Yeah.
included and they wrote, parang of course it
Kind of-
paled in comparison to the others, but I just still love me Tita Baby
Yeah.
anytime.
In terms of writing naman, kasi nung girl group namin, no, when we were all writing yung sa group namin, we were all writing it, maraming like phrases, maraming like on-brand sayings, Tita Baby, na I wish she put in more of.
Oh.
She focused her writing here a lot on the journey on Drag Race.
As opposed to what she
Oo.
stands for outside the
Oo,
Drag Race.
or in terms of what she's bringing to drag, in terms of what her
Oh.
aesthetic is, her brand is. I wish she would have talked a little bit more on that, touched a bit more on that. Kasi medyo, I agree with the judges na parang, she said a lot of negative.
Oo.
Ah.
Parang hindi mo dapat gawing strength yung mga vulnerability mo, especially kung ano yung nangyari sa show. Because hindi naman yan yung whole drag journey mo.
Yes.
Alam mo yun, kailangan mo i-consider na parang, okay, kailangan hindi mo makakalimutan sa sarili mo pag nandun ka na sa loob. Like, kailangan clear sa'yo kung sino. Kailan for realize ka. Eh, parang nangyari kay Tita Baby nun, parang, nag-self-deprecate lang, nag-self-deprecate si Bakla. Wala kang drag family, walang brew badge, walang ganito, walang ganyan. Honey, kailangan at this point, tinataas mo na lang yung sarili mo kasi
Correct, gets.
dapat hindi na naririnig ng judges yan kasi
Yeah.
parang meron ka ng time to like quote-unquote
Yeah.
fix everything na
Yeah.
kailangan mong ayusin without the whole situation.
She touched on it like sa bandang dulo na when yung lyrics na showing the kids that you can do it too. If it was just like more of that.
Oo,
Yes.
mas
The
less
same-
nung parang self-deprecating, no?
Yung argument niya during the mini challenge, I think kung yun yung thesis ng message
Mm-mm.
niya about, making your time on this earth count, I think
Yeah.
that would have been also something delicious sana.
Yeah, if you're gonna be inspiring, be like cringy about it, right? Like parang like go na, like parang alam natin hindi mo sasabihin niya in your everyday life, pero sabihin mo na like it's meant to inspire, like not to like put you down.
Okay? Ayan, so galit po siya at just like that, may bagong kaaway si Ver. Hindi ko alam kung sino.
Siyempre, naka-fly away ako ngayon.
And now let's bring it to the runway, and category is ang ganda, ball gown category. Ano yung dapat susuotin mo dito? Kung hindi mo man ipopost online, just like what was the aesthetic? What was the inspiration?
It's a wedding gown from Randolph, runway piece. So parang yung piece na yun is parang dapat nakubad lang ako sa loob, tapos puro pearls.
Mm-mm.
So parang mother of pearl situation, tapos parang see-through lang dito, tapos puro tulle, ganon. Parang medyo Filipiniana, like getting married to my craft. Kasi di ba parang finale na yon. So parang, this is my commitment, my modern manifesto, mga ganon-ganon.
Getting married to my craft.
Yes,
I love that.
wedding gown. Ball gown, diba? So parang ngayon, hindi nabigyan ng pagkakataon. Charot. Pero, you know, it's fine.
Ikaw, ang ball gown mo ay magpapakita ba sa social media?
It's the ball gown I wore for the Global All-Stars premiere.
Oh.
It's the
Oh.
blue tweed,
Tweed.
inspired by yung Chanel bridal ni Karl Lagerfeld na 90s.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Tapos
So-
ano siya, with
Bridal
a
no?
robotic twist.
oh my God. So that was supposed to be the whole look.
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay, so up first we have Maxi, blue ball gown with butterflies. What do
Alam
you
mo,
think?
ito na naman sila. Violet sila ng violet. Violet sila ng violet. Parang ako, hindi, blue yan. Tapos pagdating sa Untucked, kulay violet nga.
Totoo ba?
Oo, pag panoorin mo yung Untucked episode, mag-iiba ng kulay yung damit. So
Kaloka,
parang there's
kaloka.
something about the timpla ng kulay sa
Oo.
runway.
Okay. But I guess as a look, whether it's blue or purple or orange, what do we think?
Ito na yung disagree ako sa judges.
Oh.
Kasi when sinabi nilang wala siyang wow factor, parang ako,
Ako sis, nakaka-relate ako sa judges.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, sige.
I don't like this look, honestly.
Okay.
Like, parang to me, I love you, Maxi, babe. You know that. Like, I don't wanna, like, But, like, I just feel like the butterflies looks too crafty
Okay.
because of, like, the glitters and mukha siyang paper. And parang yung top is not really cinched as much. And I wouldn't pick that fabric. And parang I wouldn't choose that glove over the piece because I just feel like it's too flat and everything is too textured. Ang daming
Okay.
need, like,
Ikaw naman, why are you on the other side of things?
I love na nung lumabas siya, especially with this parang medyo blondie hair, and then on the runway it was blue. This blue dress, parang it felt like she felt very Cinderella to me. And
Yeah.
siguro parang ano na lang yon, parang personal taste ko na lang yon.
Bilang yung kubot couture mo, medyo ka-silhouette ito ng very, very light.
Alam mo yun, it felt like a Cinderella moment to me. Parang maybe the gown in terms of, yun nga, parang the technicalities may not be the strongest.
Oo.
Pero for me, it's the visual na pagpasok niya, and it's this really, really big ball gown. Tapos ang haba ng tray, and then with the butterflies, and then with the maxi carried.
Paano ba?
Cinderella siya. So, ewan ko, parang ako nagustuhan ko siya.
Gets.
Baka personal taste ko lang kasi yun.
Kasi for me, ang safe nito kasi parang with the other girls, they have a story with
Okay.
the ano.
Okay.
Like ito, parang, ang story niya lang is parang, oh my gosh, this is gonna be my debut, ganyan-ganyan.
Oo.
When, in fact, like for example, sige, mag-move tayo si Angel na, Santo.
Mm-mm.
Alam mo yun, parang this is not really,
Kumbaga parang you think-
top 4 na to eh. Kasi
Parang wala siyang strong point of view.
like parang walang story na
Okay,
magbaback
oo.
up
Gets,
na parang,
okay.
this is just a cute look. Kumbaga,
Oo.
na lumabas. Parang ganon.
Okay.
Siguro kung naging as in like nag-full lean into Cinderella siya maybe.
Oo, yung kung wari, may mga dagan. Yung alam mo, yung
Oo.
something.
Ito na rin,
Yung Cinderella nga na naisip mo, parang afterthought ng slight eh. Na parang,
Oo.
di ba, ikaw lang nakita ng Cinderella, pero hindi naman Cinderella yung at
Oo,
niya.
okay,
Parang,
okay.
So pinroject natin yung mga gusto natin sa
Oo.
look. Sorry, yung sasabi mo. Up next, we have Zimbading, the queen of
The
the
jungle.
jungle. Of course, I think we have to parang look at this as parang the front half of the outfit and,
And
then
then
the
the
back half of the outfit.
Yeah.
But I mean, the front half for me, clear branding
Yeah.
and fierce pa din.
Mm-mm.
So,
Ako, I love this look, but the thing that I don't like about this is, alam mo yung parang saying nila na parang kailangan hindi ka dinadala ng damit. Like, I don't
okay.
like it when you struggle when you strut down the runway. I hate that. Like, parang that is my biggest, like, parang cringe.
Okay.
Parang medyo, ano yon, pet peeve ko yon na parang, you don't have to look like you're struggling when you're strutting down the runway because you have to sell the garment. You have to sell it and hindi siya nabenta sa akin ni Zimba
Okay.
that time. Kasi parang nabibigatan siya talaga.
Ako, I like that she was able to translate the whole Queen of the Jungle vibe into a gown that actually looked really good. For me, it was just when she turned to the side and then I saw the lion head, it's like, why is that there?
Gets.
Alam mo yung parang ang ganda na eh. Tapos biglang,
Oo,
ano
gets.
yun siya?
Visual naman siya, gigib ko visual siya. Is just that, yon may mga, ang daming nangyayari sis. Like parang, ito na naman yung sa Chanel na na saying na parang you have to leave one thing before you leave the house.
So, if you were to remove one thing from Zimba's
It's the lion head.
lion head for you.
Hindi lion head. I think yung skirt. Pero kasi ball gown, oh my gosh.
Oo.
Ay, naku.
Hindi, ball gown. The hair.
The
I'm
hair.
sorry. Like,
Okay.
it's not really done in a very tasteful manner.
Up next, we have Angel as Mama Mary. Na of course, she got praised for the variety of it all. Na parang ngayon naman, the divinity, the classic glam beauty versus the usual sex. I like this as a concept. But I think parang nawawala lang for me yung napakagandang shape na slender katawan ni Angel sa kanya.
That's the one thing I have to say about this outfit. Because the outfit is well made, well executed, divine. She carried it really well. Ang ganda ng makeup niya, ang ganda ng presentation niya na talagang, yung mukha ni Angel dito, ito na yung pinakamalumanay na Angel na nakita ko sa
Hard.
balat na. Ito na yung pinakamalambot na nakita ko sa kanya ever.
Sis, ang bet ko pa dito nung time na to, habang kinikritik siya, hindi siya bumabali sa character. Thank you.
Oo, as talagang,
Salamat.
Ganda niya doon. For me, ang taas lang ng waistline.
Kakaiba. I don't think, hindi, with that being said, I don't think this is made for her.
Ah.
I'm not accusing her for pull out. I don't care for that. Like, parang we're not season 2. Hello. Like, I don't care for pull out situation. Marang just ko. It's not a big deal. But like, I don't think this piece is made for her.
That's why.
Kasi
Oo.
yung piece, kasi parang masyadong mataas yung torso. So I
Okay.
don't think it's made for her.
Oh,
But
parang
it's fine.
yung waistline niya ang taas, tapos the waistline, yung mga ruffles start at the waist.
Oo.
So parang, it looks like the ruffles start from under her boobs.
Oo. So,
Medyo may ganong effect lang
feeling ko
siya.
talaga hindi to gawa for her. But it's fine, you know.
Yeah.
It's
Pero
still
maganda.
visual. Oo, maganda. Die.
Yeah.
And she carried it well, as if it was.
Yes.
So, she deserves top
Yeah.
praises for this episode.
Bitch.
Up next, we have Kiana with a K.
Gagged.
She's
She's not impressed. Charot.
Like, siguro, if you're gonna go, like, kailangan mag-agree ako sa loob. But like, I just feel like those pieces look so affordable.
Okay.
I don't wanna like, gets ko yung aesthetic na parang it's punk rock, kita boobs, whatever. But like, I don't know, may kulang talaga. For me, I don't know if nag-over-accessories lang ako. I don't know. But this lacks something sa top.
Okay. Ako nag-agree ako of course nung pagpasok niya. Kasi like, what is this? But because I think she came in so strong with that parang cover up.
Oo,
I was
it's the,
expecting
ano,
the reveal to be
Oo.
even more impactful, which I don't think kind of outdid the first.
Kailangan nito ng print kung mag-monochrome. I don't know, drawing sa ano. Kasi parang kailangan
A bit
ng
more.
juxtaposition sa pink na parang may mga sparkle tapos yung loob kailangan ng texture din.
Parang gets. I think you're looking for a bit more, a grunge element under the accessories.
Oo, it's there. I mean, it's there. Pero like, kulang siya. Ganun.
Ako, I like the presentation, I like the idea. She's the only one that came up. Victor and Rolf yun, di ba?
Oo, yung nakabalik.
nakabaliktad. Nung unang paglabas, sabi ko, oh my God, Victor and Rolf, labas siya. Tapos nung pagkabagsak na ganun, I like the idea. Pero I get what you're saying na parang, this is not yet complete. Punk rocker does
Oo.
ball gown.
Oo,
Yes.
tsaka nitpicky pa. Like, parang I don't really like that you're gonna use gold sa boobs.
And then last, we have Tita Baby, ang reyna ng Santa Cruzan. I really, really love this. Mukha siyang fairy godmother. Yun yung nakukuha ko sa kanya.
Hindi siya yung Cinderella. Kahit siya yung nakaball gown,
Correct.
hindi siya yung Cinderella.
Kanya-kanya tayo ng pinoproject sa
Putang
look.
ina.
Ang nakuha ko, fairy godmother.
Given na magkalayo yung age, pero kami yung pinaka may malapit na aesthetic. I would wear this. Ako kasi parang referential lang ako. Si Bakla sinabuhay yung gano'n. Yung kumari, oh my gosh, I'm gonna reference the 70s. Si Bakla sinabuhay ah. Guess mo yung parang, ano ba, innate na sa kanya yung mga nire-reference ko. Oh my God!
Hindi siya buhay na ba siya noong 70s?
Oo,
I think so.
47 na,
Oo.
magpi-50 na si Tita Baby, gaga. Everything na sinasuot ni Tita Baby, like this one, like parang, it's giving, parang prom queen 1954. I love that reference.
Siguro naman hindi pa siya buhay nung 1954.
Pero hindi natin sure. Pero alam mo yun, lahat ng ginagawa ni Tita Baby, like, alam mo to, Baus, minsan may mga sinasuot ako na very Tita Baby, nagkakaftan ako.
Kagabi.
Di ba? Yung mga ganun. So, huling-huli ni Tita Baby yung mga amats ko na parang mukhang donya-donya na ganyan siya. I like her.
Ako, for me, it's just disjointed at the waist.
Gets.
Parang, I like the whole, may playing card siya na Queen of Diamonds to really sell the Queen of Diamonds look. If that parang card print was carried over, mukha siyang parang nalalaglag,
Yes.
pababa into the skirt. May putol siya at the waist. It's like, this is a Filipiniana mini dress that she attached
Yeah.
a ball gown skirt onto,
Yeah.
which is still a very, very strong, very good look. Ano lang talaga, the detail, nawala yung detalye nung top part dun sa baba.
Yes, gets. Alam mo kung ano naman feeling kong kulang? Scepter.
Okay.
Scepter.
Gets,
Tama,
yes.
di ba? Kasi parang kung wari ko may scepter, magka-fly yan eh.
Okay.
Di ba parang mukha
Gets.
yung sa gala? Promise.
Okay.
Scepter.
Gets.
Di ba? Di ba?
Yes,
Mag-work yan.
okay.
Kulang lang ng accessories, pero mag-work yan.
Ganyan mag-comment. Dagdagan mo ng scepter. The timing of her showing soft, I think is parang ang sarap panoorin after so many weeks of, consistently, like, really exquisite tita.
But with that being said, she doesn't look, mukha pa rin siyang mature, which I love.
Mm-mm.
Gets.
Hindi, wala yung, kumbaga,
Yeah.
hindi siya parang, oh my gosh, I'm a cool mom. Hindi ganun.
Oo.
Ano
Age
siya?
appropriate.
Oo,
naman
age
siya.
appropriate siya.
Yes.
Yes.
And then, of course, we find out na ang winner ng ating Maxi Challenge ay si Angel. Palakpakan natin. Pangalawang Rue badge ni Angel at
Correct.
panglimang Rue badge
Sa
ng
pamilya.
Galang Family. Deserve? Deserve talaga. And I think just yung confessional of Angel saying na nung sa Snatch Game, she wasn't expecting it, mas lalo naman daw to. Again, just adds to like the whole charm of the Angel
Correct.
effect.
Oh my gosh, I'm learning so much from her. Humility.
Mhm.
Honestly. Like parang, bitch, kaya nga parang minsan tinotropa ko din talaga. Like parang chosen family. Alam mo yun, yung kung wari, di ba parang natuturuan niya ako with a lot of things, same as her. Tinuturuan niya siya with a lot of things. Pero yung iba yung naturo niya sa akin, parang
Aw.
values.
I love it.
Values, pero hindi masyadong ina-apply palagi. Pero may natututunan.
Baka matagal lang ma-absorb.
Correct,
yung lesson.
correct.
Okay. And then we find out na ang magli-lip sync this week ay si Zimba Ding at si Tita Baby to one of just the best Sarah Geronimo songs ever. Isa pang araw.
So beautiful.
Girl, nung nakita ko yun
Namanifest
sa
ko yun
nung nakita ko yun sa list na lip syncs, talagang, wow.
Gusto ko to.
puta,
Gusto ko to.
Oo, rin.
Like parang, na-aware ako na parang, shit, pag mag-lip sync ko, dapat ito dahil hindi ako serkera.
Pag nakita mo rin yung sure ka rin na parang, hindi, bandang dulo to eh.
Oh, hindi. Tsaka parang inisip ko, hindi para kay Ate Bench to. Tama mali. Tama mali. Di ba, Ate Bench to, Diyos ko nang papansin. Pero gusto ko siyang song. Ganun.
Correct.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, this song, I just love this song so much. And of course, the significance of the song at this point in the competition, parang, andyan eh.
Literally.
Diba?
Isang araw na lang oh.
Correct. Diba? I mean, I'm sure most of the girls, they wanna win. Pero isa pa, ang next goal mo lagi just to make it to the end.
Yeah.
Diba? And parang yung emotional stakes nun. And of course, kay Tita Baby, may added layer of, again, the
Tita.
pagiging, doing this at this age.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
think mayroon pang ganong additional layer. I seriously think it could have gone either way. I think Zimba had peaks and valleys. But for me, the power of Tita Baby interpreting the lyrics is also something very, very strong.
Interpretation ko kasi nung kay Zimba is, kasi we know that Zimba has lost family quite recently. So I think it was kind of, she was doing something about that. At least sa pagkaka-interpret ko.
Oh, same.
But at the same time, it's like, dahil hindi siya nailawan, we don't get to appreciate that. But what we do get to appreciate is the emotions behind Tita Baby's eyes. Throughout the whole thing na every time, kahit nasa wide shot siya, kahit nakafocus sa kanya,
tight.
may kita mong talagang
Correct.
dinadamdam niya yung kante.
Yep.
And I think this time, the emotions overpowered the message
Yeah.
that Zimba was trying to
Gets.
Ako naman, parang to me, it's anyone's game.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi parang iba yung gigil nila parehas eh. Pero ang nangyari dito, hindi ko ina-underestimate yung hugot ni Zimba. Pero iba yung deeply rooted talaga yung kay Tita Baby in a sense na it transcends time.
Mm-mm.
Yung hugot niya na parang,
Yeah.
kailangan nandito ako. And hindi ko naman in-underestimate si Zimba, pero yung binigay ni Tita Baby nun is parang, ang tagal ko na tong
Yeah.
hawak-hawak at
Oo.
hindi ko ibibigay sa'yo to.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
Hindi mapupunta sa'yo to. Parang gano'n yung parang, tama yung sinabi niya na kapag ballad, tapos tita, ay kanya yun. Parang silhouette, akin to. Tama, di ba? Sabi ni Papa Wag, di ba? First season. Design challenge, akin to. Para sabi Tita Baby, ako to.
Parang si Mix Design Challenge, akin to. Sinabi rin niya sa hosting,
Sino?
akin to.
Besi sinabi ko rin yan sa design, ay hindi ko pala sinabi.
Hindi ba?
Hindi ko sinabi.
Sinabi mo?
Sinabi ko, I don't wanna be the bottom. I don't wanna be the top. Di ba? Parang ayoko lang ma-self-deprecate.
Anyway, going back to the lip sync. Okay.
Chikahan na lang.
Ang gusto ko rin sa lip sync na to is I never got any cue of them being nervous. Parang they all were ready to just, I'm gonna perform this and show you what I bring to the table sa Final Four.
It's one of those
Diba?
songs kasi.
Oo, na parang, alam mo ba, minsan kapag sinasoundtrip ko yun, Crayola talaga ako,
Oo.
emote talaga ako, emote. Babae talaga na parang, kahit wala akong patilya, isyete ko yung buhok ko. Tama, mali ba? Wala kang patilya, syete ka.
It's one of those songs na parang, I'm sure, when they heard it played, nung nakatayo na silang dalawa doon, more like ano siya, catharsis na siya eh.
Gets.
Ito yung song na hindi ka mawawala sa timing kasi parang in sync yung katawan mo sa music.
Oo.
Like parang, kakala ko. Alam mo yun. Like parang dadrop mo na agad yan.
Correct.
Ano na siya, catharsis na siya, parang
Correct.
andun ka na sitwasyon na andyan yung emotions for you to access that easily resonate to the song.
Oo.
Correct, yeah.
Hindi
Parang-
ko sasabihin madali siya, pero
Oo.
parang happy siya kapag mapunta siya sa'yo.
Hindi mo na sabihin parang, shit, andito na ako, kabadong-kabado na ako, kailangan ko pa mag-lip sync. Hindi parang,
Kailangan
mag-
mong hugutin yung
oo.
emosyon.
Parang, mag-lip sync ako, gusto nyo, eto kanta, o go.
Correct.
Kumbaga,
Ganun ka na eh.
Oo, huhugutin mo na lang yung
Oo.
emosyon. Hindi
Correct.
mo siya, hindi ka kakabahan.
You don't have to push it aside for the lip sync. Babaunin mo siya.
Correct.
And I think this is testament to really the power of the song because even the two of you feel like you wanna perform it now.
Oo, sis,
Diba?
promise. Ang ganda ng song.
So, and then we find out that Tita Baby Shantays and joins the Final Four, and Zimba finishes 5th on this season. Palakpakan natin si Zimba Ding. Okay. What a great journey. Diba? A big part of her story is, of course, some redemption for the House of Ding, which she was able to do successfully.
Yeah.
But for me, Zimba to me represents like kind of like the future of drag,
Yes,
which we've
same.
talked about earlier.
And sabi ko nga, parang si Zimba, ako palagi ko ito sinasabi, to me, you are my winner. Sana wag lumaki ulo ni bakla. Pero like, tama yung sinabi mo na she's the future of drag. And the future is so bright for the drag community in the Philippines. Kasi imaginein mo kung lahat ng bata na cultivate ng ganon. Like, kung maraming drag mothers out there, and for sure dadami pa, tignan mo kung anong nagawa ni Brigading kay Zimba. Oh. For sure kung lahat ng bata supportado ng mga parents nila or drag family, lahat mag-shine katulad ni Zimba.
She made such a strong statement by getting into the show at such an early stage in her career and making it this far
Yes.
and really giving a good showing of her talents. I think a lot of yung mga batchmates ni Zimba sa drag or like yung mga mas bata, mas bago sa kanya are gonna be really more driven to like get on the show and prove themselves and work hard to get there. Thanks a lot to Drag Race also.
Of
Yes.
course.
Nagkaroon ng drag baby boom.
Correct.
From
I'm so
season
proud
1.
of that girl. Yeah.
And then now, parang as a girl that started because of Drag Race Philippines to now making it on the show, Zimba's presence on the show really made the strong statement.
Tsaka sabi ko naman sa ito kanina na boss, di ba? Parang, I'm sorry girls, pero out of all the girls na umuwi, sa kanya ako pinaka nalungkot. Because we all know how much that girls wants to win.
Oh, she, from day one,
Yeah.
from unang mic check.
Sis, like parang, kung wari mic check kami, Zimba is gonna be the winner. Like, kung wari lapel check, Zimba is gonna be the winner. Zimba is gonna be the
lapel
winner.
number ganito, Zimba Ding, the next drag superstar.
Mag-pray kami sa ano, Lord, let me win.
Parang,
So,
Lord, thank you for the day, thank you for the food, thank you for the girls, blah, blah, blah. Kemerut, thank
I'm
you,
gonna
thank you,
win.
and I'm gonna win. May ganun yan.
Alam mo yun, yung parang nakikita mo yung parang drive ng isang bata and it's
Yeah.
so innocent. and
Nakakatawa
it's-
kasi, di ba, parang ganyan din ako dati.
Oo, like
Okay.
parang it's so fresh to see
Yeah.
na parang especially with me na ang hilig mag-project
Mm-mm.
before, na parang pinaproject ko na I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. Pero seeing Zimba na parang, you know what? I'm just gonna feel things.
Yeah.
Zimba has also gotten her fair share of like the online
You know?
discussions,
Engagement.
Yeah.
engagements. Pero kasi pag nakilala mo si Zimba, na parang, yeah, she puts on a very, very strong personality. Kasi, hello, drag queens tayo. We all do that.
Kailangan may persona yung character.
We
Hindi
all
pwedeng
put
wala.
on strong fronts. We all like to peacock our achievements or what we think we offer.
Yeah.
But when you get to know Zimba and where that's all coming from as just someone who wants to prove herself and wants to succeed, it's very endearing.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, she's so playful and innocent. Parang ang hirap, hindi, kung kilala niyo siya personally, hindi siya dapat i-hate kasi she's just a young girl.
Yeah.
She's only 22. Cut her some slack. Eh, parang, girl, ang dami pang matututunan yan.
Correct.
Girl, hindi pa fully develop yung parang maturity ng batit na yan, girl.
But that's it. Wala na si Zimba.
Yeah.
She now joins the eliminated queens.
Yeah.
And then we are down to our final
Yeah.
4. Maxi with 3 badges. Angel with 2. Kiana with 1. And Tita Baby with a lot of life experience.
Yes, I love that for her.
Yeah.
That's it. Next week, we are gonna have a crowned queen and we are gonna find out who the damn Miss Congeniality is.
Oh.
Sino kaya? Hindi ko alam. Most
Not
like-
me.
Di tayo sure. Again, ikaw ang nag-uplift ng industry. So,
You have to consider
Diba?
it's anyone's game, my love. Right?
So, sino-
I mean, nung mga untucked ko na as a defend.
Pwede
Maniwala
ba?
ka.
Nung mga untucked ko
May oras
as a defender,
Correct.
congeniality, ganyan. Pero ngayon, parang hindi na.
Correct.
Parang hindi na rin ako.
Maniwala ka.
Baka na.
Parang hindi rin ako convinced.
May awa
Sorry.
ang Diyos.
Correct. Malay mo, ang naalala lang nila were the good parts.
Sure?
Sis, maniwala ka. May awang Diyos. Sobra.
Ito ba yung lesson na napulot mo kay Zimba?
Oo, may awa ang Diyos. Nasa taong gawa.
But yes, so this season is about to end. We literally just have a week left.
Yes.
What a ride so far, and I can't believe it's all coming to a close.
Yes.
What an epic season.
I'm just so proud of the girls. I'm so proud of us. And sobrang happy ko na dito ako napunta. Honestly, like parang ngayon, kaya ko sabihin na parang with full conviction na there's a reason ko bakit hindi ako sa season 2 napunta.
Same. Alam mo yan, napag-usapan natin yan before.
Yes.
Same. And I think it was Brigading that said this na parang learning is the new winning.
Yes.
And sinabi rin ni Maxi sa Untuck na parang if you don't win, you learn.
Yeah.
And I have learned so much from this experience. I've taken away so much. Sabi nga ni Versa last time we had her, Drag Race was very humbling.
Yes.
And honestly, I'm not scared to admit na I was served a very deserved slice of humble pie. And I ate that humble pie when we wrapped filming. And now that
Honestly.
it's airing, ang dami kong natutunan from this experience. And I'm so happy na kayo yung naging
Ako
kasama
din,
ko.
ang saya kasi walang tapon sa atin. Walang tapon sa atin.
At,
Like, so grateful.
at least nalaman nyo yung lesson kung bakit hindi kayo pinasok sa season 2. Eventually, malalaman ko rin kung bakit hindi ako pinasok sa makeover.
Kasi kailangan mo daw mag-audition. Magdraga ka na kaya, be.
Correct.
Hindi yung dahil mong chika dyan. Tapos kami naghihirap dito. Wow.
Season 4. Hindi para bows.
Ayan, the future of drag. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mong makapasok sa Drag Race
Ang galing ni baby.
within
Ang galing
3
ni-
months. Charot.
Yes.
Okay na, okay, that's it. That's it. Okay na po, okay na. Tangin itong dalawang
Ano
Ikaw
ba?
yung upon
Pag ikaw yung
bows.
naging bunot,
Correct.
ayaw mo eh.
Bunutin si Bows.
No, but I mean, just love this season. I love that the two of you get to just take this and propel the next stages of your career, di ba? I'm sure na-excite you to see like what to create next. So,
Yes, of course. And parang ngayon, happy lang talaga, sis.
Mm.
I wish I could say the same thing with you. Truly. No, truly. Kasi ako, ang bilis ko siyang na-move past and I wish ganun ka din.
I did a lot of work after the show. In the few months that we had before airing, I
Yes.
did a lot of work. And kumbaga parang it's all coming back.
Yeah.
But I also know the work ahead that I have to keep doing.
Yeah.
And sa totoo lang, at the end of the day, we achieved something that we wanted
Yeah.
for a long time. And in a way, parang it's freeing din na parang, okay, ano yung next? Ano yung next kong pwedeng ipangarap? Ano yung next kong tatrabahuhin na i-achieve?
Like, hindi pa to yun. Like, sige, nag-drag race na tayo, pero hindi
Oo.
pa to yung peak namin. Like, parang, what's next for us?
May ganong
Tama.
factor siya. And I'm grateful to feel that feeling now.
Yeah.
Despite everything.
Yeah.
It's nice to parang feel like you have something to prove and you want to own it. Parang wala na. It's a good feeling.
Kasi parang ang lakas talaga natin as a cause. As a
True.
collective, parang we're that, girls. And no one could take that away from us.
Yes.
babes.
So, and yun ba? Maraming salamat, Versex, at pinaunlakan mo kami
Of course.
ng iyong everything about you that is just so awesome. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, guys.
And also letting everybody know na sa aming last episode, wala po ako dahil kailangan ko pong mag-ibang bansa ng mabilis. So next week, may ibang co-host si Mix, hindi pa po namin alam, nagpapa-audition. Okay,
Oh my
charing.
God.
But yeah, thank you.
Of course.
And don't forget to rate and review us on Apple Podcast and Spotify. Follow us on Instagram at BeckenemenPod. I am Hey It's Baus on TikTok and Baus Rufo on Instagram.
I am at MixChanel or at Mix.Chanel everywhere.
And where can the children find you, Miss Legend You?
I'm everywhere. You don't have to look for me. Honey, just check on Twitter. A random tweet, you'll see my face, babe. That's on what? Icon. Period. Versex.
And that's it. Bye!
Bye!
No.
In-game ka na naman, bakla.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.